have with us Mrs. Anuradha Gupta. She's Additional Secretary Health and Mission Director of NRHM. And ma'am, let's quickly start with your most pet project, Asha, which you have in fact in one of your interviews described as one of the popular faces of NRHM. But quickly, just to start putting in perspective the basic concept of launching Asha, we believe it was launched in 2005, and how much of it has really been successful?
See, actually, it was the National Rural Health Mission that was launched in the year 2005, and ASHA is a very, very important component of the Rural Health Mission, because one of the very strong focuses that the National Rural Health Mission brought was on communitization. And Asha actually is a community woman. She resides in the community and actually symbolizes huge empowerment of community, of women, and then she acts as an interface between the community and the health system. And what is extremely striking is the fact that we now have 9 lakh Ashas.
How much of its benefits have really percolated to the grassroots level?
See, there you can already see that the mortality rates are coming down, because you know what happens is that when institutional deliveries go up and women are no longer delivering at home, because when there are home deliveries and there is no skilled attendance at birth, the births are actually assisted by untrained DIs, then the probability of women landing in complications and not coming out of it is very, very high. Also, you know, the chances of the newborn sort of surviving are also lower, because essential newborn care, you know, is extremely important, is very scientifically done, must be imparted by highly trained service providers. And the National Urban Health Mission has been launched by Government of India, which is a huge step forward. And in urban areas also, in urban slums, you would have Ashas. So we would be adding about, you know, another 40,000 or so Ashas.
Asha and JSSY are in a big way game changers as far as NRHM and a paradigm shift in healthcare, rural healthcare is concerned. Thank you so much for talking to DD News.